well, sir.
Sorry?
That's going to have to go in here as well.
No, you told me just
The yarmulke is going to have to go in here as well, sir.
a yarmulke is a yarmulke, you know?
Excuse me?
The yarmulke is something that has to be on the head.
I understand. Unfortunately, in here, they're not going to allow you to.
Again, I don't think I'm allowed to.
Your glasses.
What?
Bring your hands to your front.
Sorry?
Bring your hands to your front.
You have to put that inside your property.
Okay.
You have to be in the
Makes
property
sense.
request it back to the chaplain's office. And then they'll give it back to you. Okay? Yeah, in the chaplain's office, you're going to write to them, you're going to request it back, and then they're going to give it to you. But it has to be, it has to be a whole. You can't enter the facility. Okay?
We just have to add this. It said that at the chaplain's office he can request it back.
That's not on the welcome.
Yeah, we didn't add it because he had it on. Okay. So where should I put that? A miscellaneous or headwear? Thank you.